Tire rotation is more than just spinning your tires. It's moving them to different positions in order to ensure even wear. Rotation patterns vary depending on your drive system. Fact is, tires wear unevenly. The fronts typically wear faster because they steer and stop your car. Tire rotation helps even them out to give you the most life from your tires, maintain traction, and in the long run can help save you money. Remember, not rotating your tires may also affect your tire manufacturer's warranty. You may not see the wear, but if you wait too long, you will. And you might feel it too. Regular rotations are key. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, or as recommended.